friends, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I hope that you will consider subscribing. I currently upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday with bonus uploads in between. I also have two other channels if you're interested. I have a vlog channel. I always link it down below. I also have a reselling channel. So one of my part-time jobs is I sell clothing, shoes on Amazon, eBay, and Poshmark. So if you're interested in like a side job, maybe for the new year, or you've heard of reselling and you want to know more about it, I'll leave a, oh my God, maybe I should turn my ringer off first. I'll leave a link to it down below. I basically show you everything I buy. I show you hauls, how much money I make, what's selling, what's not selling. So those are linked down below. So first of all, Happy New Year. You may be saying to yourself, Nikki, why do you have on a boobalicious, super shiny gold dress with hot pink eyeshadow? Listen, girl, it is 2020. It is a new decade. I'm feeling refreshed. I'm feeling good. This is actually the dress I wore for New Year's with my boyfriend. We went to a huge party. I'm not kidding. Like, oh my God, the sunset is beautiful. It's like pink, but it almost looks like when we have the fires, because I can see when we have the wildfires. I usually can see them from my balcony. It's kind of crazy. Distracted. I wore this. We went to a huge party. It was like 9 different rooms. There was like a Prince room. There was a cover band room. So I wore this and I just was about to film this video. I love this dress. I did tell you guys my last Fashion Nova haul was probably going to be my last one ever just because of the drama they have going on. I'll leave a link to that video down below, but I got so many compliments on it and I loved it and he loved it. I'll probably put a picture of me on New Year's. So I was like, I don't know when I'm going to get to wear this again, so I'm going to put it on now. I had already done the bright pink makeup. But friends, today we are talking about IPSY. I know exactly what's in my box, so we're going to go through that. If you are new around here, I unbox IPSY every month on my channel. Not sponsored. I have been subscribed to IPSY for 5 years. Always paid for it with my own money. So I'll move over, put everything on the screen. Listen, friends, IPSY is on thin ice with me. I am like 50% ready to, I don't think I'll cancel because I really liked IPSY Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 a month. But if Ultimate just like doesn't start speaking to me soon, girl, I've got to drop back down to Glam Bag Plus. I just cannot do it. $50 is a lot of money. I don't know, it's just a lot of money. So, all right, let's start. First up, a lot of these brands I've never heard of, but I told you guys that doesn't bother me. I love that subscription boxes introduce me to brands that I've never heard of. I like a mix. I like brands I've never heard of and brands I know. So this works. It's a deep sleep pillow spray. I'm a big fan of pillow sprays. I cannot speak to their efficacy. No clue. I like using them, especially ones that have lavender. I think I had one that used like tea tree or peppermint, and I really liked it. So you spray it on your pillow and it's supposed to help you sleep or fall asleep faster. I'm excited to try that. I've never heard of the brand This Works, but I'm a big fan of pillow sprays. I need to breathe. You guys, I've been eating like absolute trash. Anybody else over the holidays? So for New Year's, every year I do a fast. It's not a fast like where I'm not eating. Well, I'm not eating. It's no solid foods. I just have smoothies, tea, and water. Last year I did it for 7 days. I'm only doing it for 4 days this year, so I'm starting tomorrow. But I just feel like, literally, like last night we had Popeye's chicken. I haven't had Popeye's chicken in 10 years, and it was amazing. But I'm ready to detox. Like just sitting here, I'm out of breath, just thinking of like the Popeyes like sticking to my ribs and my butt right now. Okay. Again, a brand I've never heard of. Thann, T-H-A-N-N. Okay, sure, I'll try it. Eden Breeze Body Butter. I love getting new lotions, body butters. I literally put on like lotion or body butters on my hands. Like, I'm not kidding, probably at least 10 times a day. So I'm excited to give that a try. IPSY years ago, I don't know if you guys remember, I did unbox this on my channel. They introduced me to Cake Beauty, which is a Canadian brand. Had never heard of it. One of my favorite hand lotions ever. It's called Cake Beauty because most of their products smell like cake. I feel like that's probably for some people and not, I love it. Like they have a lotion that I found at Rite Aid. I coincidentally found it at Rite Aid, like on clearance. It smells like vanilla cake. Any of you guys remember that brand? I love it. still purchase it. So just goes to show you that like IPSY will introduce me to brands that I will find out and love, and they'll become like a cult favorite. Tarte Double Duty Beauty Easy on the Eyes Clay Liner in black. Okay, I like Tarte. I always need an eyeliner. I'll take it. Farrah brushes. IPSY always sends Farrah brushes. So it's a really pretty brush, and I did tell IPSY in my quiz that I want brushes. I always need brushes. 160F face brush. Anybody else? I don't really like brushes that the bristles are a color. Like pink, purple, white. I just want them to be black or brown. I think it's just because like it grosses me out. Either way, there's makeup on it and you know that it's like dirty and used. But I feel like when you have like white and pink, it just like shows it more and it just kind of creeps me out. And I feel like, oh, I need to wash this after one use. Which, hey, maybe that's what I should be doing anyways. But I do like Farrah brushes. I mean, IPSY's been sending them to me for at least a year and I really do like them. Ooh. Next up, we have Marc Anthony True Professional. I think IPSY has sent this brand before, or maybe I just tried it on my own. I've tried this brand. 100% extra virgin coconut oil and shea butter leave-in conditioner. I like leave-in conditioners actually, so. Okay, although I did tell IPSY I didn't really want hair care products, but I don't mind a leave-in conditioner. The Balm Cosmetics Meet Matrimony Matte Eyeshadow Palette. That's so cute. It's a very neutral, boring looking palette to me. I'm sorry. I don't know how else to say it. When IPSY had that big debacle with the first like ultimate glam bag and people were pissed, they sent out a quiz and they asked me like, okay, would you like eyeshadow? Would you like hair care? And I said, yes, I love eyeshadow. And then it said like, do you like colorful, matte? And I very clearly said vibrant, colorful. I'm telling you guys, I really wonder if they look at these profiles. Because why would you send me this palette? Like, this is a palette I'll just pass on to someone. But I get it. I'm the anomaly. Most people don't like vibrant, colorful shadows. But, yeah, whatever. That'll be something I pass on to someone. Oh, so I forgot to mention. So every month, usually like 2 weeks before the box comes out, IPSY will say you can choose one of the products and they'll build your box around that. So I chose this, which is Foxy Bay Mini Travel Curling Wand in Marbled, which I thought was cute, and I always need a curling wand, so excited to get that. I wonder like how mini it is. That'll be interesting to see. Sweet Chef. I actually featured this brand last year in 2018. At the end of 2018, I said, look, these are one of the new brands to be on the lookout for in 2019. I believe you can pick this up at Target. So it's the Beet and Vitamin A Serum Shot. I'll give that a try. Next up, we have Essen Herb Tea Tree 90 Toner Pad. I've never tried, first of all, I've never heard of that brand. Never tried a toner pad. I have gotten into using, is it La Roche? Yeah, I've been using La Roche-Posay's toner. I've been using Caudalie toner. Why is my work phone ringing? Please hold. Sorry about that phone call from mom. So I was saying I've used a lot of toners before, but I've never used a toner pad. So, okay, we'll give it a try. Oh, Ahava, I do like. IPSY sent Ahava, I think last year, and it was like a foot scrub or something. Or did I pick it up at TJ Maxx? You can find this brand at like TJ Maxx, Marshalls. Looks like they're sending a moisturizer. I like Ahava, so I'm excited about that. Hey Honey, oh my gosh, this is the longest name on planet Earth. Hey Honey is the brand, never heard of that. Take Away the Day Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. Lots of skincare, which is interesting because they said they build your box around the item you choose. And I chose a curling wand, so what? I'm just very curious to like, I would love a behind the scenes of how the hell they build these things. Because I feel like they kind of follow your profile, they kind of don't. Then they say pick an item, which I thought was cool, and then we'll build around it. So I thought they were going to be sending a lot of hair care, but maybe because I said in my profile like I don't really want hair care, that they just sent skincare. I don't know. I don't know, girl. I don't know. Yvette, I've never heard of this brand. Daily Fresh Squeeze Sheet Mask Duo in Grape and Lychee. I love sheet masks. I told you guys I became a believer in 2019. 2018, you would not catch me using a sheet mask. If I would get it in like a subscription box, I would just pass it on to someone, but I really like them now. And then the bag of the month is really cute. I love like makeup bags that have that marble effect, and it has the, is it pink? It kind of looks like a mauvey pink zipper with a handle. It's really cute. Okay, so the bag as a whole, can you just see in my face? I'm like, okay, so I'm excited for the pillow spray, excited for the body butter. The eyeliner, I'm just like, whatever. I do like Farrah brushes, pretty excited for the conditioner. Eyeshadow palette, not using. Curling one, I picked it. Serum shot, I'm not excited, but I'll try it. Toner pads, I will try it. A Hava moisturizer, I'll try it. The peel off mask, not really excited. And then the sheet mask. I think I would have liked to have, I don't know, am I being too picky? Can you guys let me know? I feel like when I had Glam Bag Plus, the one that was like the level down below Ultimate, I was happy every month. And then with this one, I'm just like, why can't they get it right? Like totally right. Like I told them when they sent the quiz that I would love to have like 50% from brands I know and love and then 50% new. But it seems like they just keep sending me brands I've never heard of and like products that I could probably get. Like if I could pick and choose for 50 bucks, I just would not put these in my bag. So I think that tells me everything I need to know. I don't know, friends. I think in February, you won't be seeing me do an Ultimate. You'll be seeing me do a Glam Bag Plus. Because I told you guys, January 2020, I mean, I don't know. I just feel like I was so much happier paying half the price, paying 25 bucks a month. I don't know, friends. I'm going to take some time to think about it. Some of you might think I'm being dramatic, but I take my makeup subscription boxes very seriously. At one point, I'm not kidding, I was subscribed to like 6 or 7 subscription boxes, and I've really tailored it down, and I just feel like Ultimate is not where it's at for me. I don't know. I think it's the price. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts down below. If any of you get Glam Bag Plus, Ultimate, so the $50 one, are you happy with it? Do any of you have BoxyCharm Luxe? I think that's what it's called. I think that's their like premium box. Let me know what you think about that. Also, friends, I'd love to know, just some chit chat time, what did you do for New Year's Eve? Did you stay home? Did you party? Did you drink? Did you go to church? I find that I do like every other year. So like last year, I think I just stayed at home and had champagne and like watched the ball drop. Then this year I wanted to go out and party, and I partied hard, very hard, until like 4 a.m. And then next year I'm already thinking like, oh, I just want to like go to church and stay home. I think up until the point I was like graduated college, I used to start every New Year's at church. So I would actually ring in New Year's at church at 12. This is how bad me and my friends were. We would go to church in our club clothing, ring in New Year's at church, and then go out to the club. We were a mess. I did that, honestly, I think for like 6 or 7 years in a row. So yeah, what you guys do for New Year's? Let me know. I'm very excited for 2020. Lots of things to come. Probably the next video you see will be a what I got for Christmas, because I finally got my Christmas presents from my boyfriend, so I can show you everything I got. One of the things he got me was a trip, which I did vlog. So I'm definitely going to put the trip as a separate vlog on the vlog channel. But I'll show you like snippets of the trip in the what I got for Christmas video. So that might be what you see next. I still haven't done my worst of the worst of beauty 2019, best of the best. I still need to do those. I just have a lot I want to do. And the reselling channel is really growing. I'm so excited. I've had the vlog channel since August of 2018, and we're only at like 600 subscribers. I've had the reselling channel since September of 2019, and we're almost at 1,000 subscribers, which might seem like nothing to you guys, but I'm excited because they're both my babies. And honestly, it might take me forever to grow the vlog channel, but I don't care. It's just like family videos for me, like memories. But I'm excited for the reselling channel. Like, I really am passionate about reselling. I love it. I don't know if I'd want to do it full time. You guys know I'm a hustler. If you're new around here, by the way, I'm just having girl chat with you. It's the beginning of the year. The day that you're watching this is the day I'm filming it. So January 2nd, if you're watching it on the day it was posted. I'm just sharing my thoughts with you for the new year. So what was I saying? We talked about the reselling channel, the vlog channel. Oh God, this is the one time I actually do lose my train of thought. But I still haven't done I take New Year's resolutions very seriously, and I actually follow through on them. Like, I'm not one of those people that writes something down and then doesn't even think about it for the rest of the year. I actually break my New Year's, so I do like New Year's resolutions for the entire year, and then I break down the things I need to do by quarter. So every 3 months, this is what I need to do this resolution. So like last year, it was to get my real estate license. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. I have a bunch of jobs. So I broke down, okay, I need to start real estate school by January. I need to finish it by March. And then by June, I need to sign with a broker. Like, I break it down. So I need to do that because I get very serious. I look at my resolutions at least once a month, usually a couple times a month, and I stick to them. Like, I'm not messing around. But all right, friends, I'm done rambling. Let me know your thoughts on the ultimate. Wish me luck on this cleanse. Lord help me, 4 days. It shouldn't be bad because I usually do this, like, I say cleanse in air quotes because some people think of cleanse as like no food or anything. I'm technically having liquid food because I have smoothies that have like kale and fruit and blueberries and almond milk. It's just in liquid form. So it's like a smoothie fast, like where I just have smoothies. But I usually do that like 2 or 3 days a week anyway. So I think 4 consecutive days in a row shouldn't be too bad. It's just that I've been eating like trash. And you know how your body becomes used to all those carbs and sugar, and like, I think the first day is gonna be brutal. So wish me luck, friends. Lots of videos coming your way. Happy 2020. Let me know your thoughts on Ultimate down below. I think this is it, friends. I think this might be it for me. We should do a code word. Sometimes when I'm just rambling and I just wanna see who actually makes it to the end, I do code words. So I'm looking at what I got in my Glam Bag Plus. Let's do pillow spray. If you've made it this far through me rambling and talking about stupid stuff, well, not stupid, but just random stuff, comment down below pillow spray. And I know you're a true friend. A true and blue friend. All right, friends, if you haven't seen my most recent video, check it out right here. Don't forget, pillow spray if you've made it this far.